Dad, nakakuha na. Dad, nakakuha. Go baby, again. Babs, wala na tarong iyahang bait, love. You always catch baby, but you keep on moving too much. That's why the fish can escape. Break free. Go. Not yet pa. Let them eat it first. Let them eat it first. Ay, sus, Chai, don't lagi kuan it. Go na.
Levi, tara.
Baba, nice seaweed, Babs. Nice catch, Babs. Go na. You don't have bait na? I think he doesn't have bait na, Nabs.
Another one.
Okay. You fish another one just like Daddy ba? Na, palagi, go na. Down pa. Ah, you move too much, Kang. Ayaw ra lagi, okay ra lagi ko. Nag-video lang ko ni James. Okay ra lagi ko, love. Nag-video lang ko ni James. Don't move too much, Kang. They cannot eat it if you move too much, Kang. Not that fish. That fish has very small mouth. Aim for the other fishes.
A black one.
Go na. Come back here na lang. Oh, here. Oh, this part. Oh, so many here. Go.
Look, they're broken now.
No, it's not. Oh. Go.
Can you catch a fish and you give it to me and I'll put it back down? One box.
Okay. Go na. Don't move too much. Kaya the fishes are eating your bait now. There you go. Go. Don't move lagi too much. Let them eat it first. Levi. Stop na, Levi.
Can you give me a fish that you catch by